Hello traders, it's Sunday, November the 13th, and this is our weekly market review. Last week provided the investment world with a week which will not be forgotten. The election of Donald Trump as the next US president created massive short-term volatility. However, the broad markets were able to stabilize, and Wall Street did see positive price movement among the three largest indexes. Core retail sales and manufacturing readings will come from the US this week, but it is Federal Reserve Chairwoman Janet Yellen who will get the most attention. She will be testifying in Washington, D.C. on Thursday about economic conditions. The Fed has made no secret about its desire to raise interest rates in December, and investors will watch Yellen carefully. Market sentiment was able to show some risk-taking ability last week, but questions still persist regarding the economic outlook for the U.S. Gross domestic product numbers will come from Japan, and industrial production data will come from China on early Monday. The Nikkei and Shanghai Shenzhen indexes both were able to turn in good results last week after a nervous start. The US dollar has been bought steadily against Japanese currency, and the yen is now testing important resistance levels. The weakness of the yen will be taken as a good sign by investors. However, overall Asian market conditions remain sensitive. Traders will pay close attention to the yen this week. European Central Bank President Mario Draghi and Bank of England Governor Mark Carney will both be in focus in the coming days. Now that the US election is in the rearview mirror, European investors will start to direct their attention more to central banks. Mario Draghi will be making 2 appearances this week in Europe, and Mark Carney will testify about UK inflation on Tuesday. The euro struggled in value most of last week, and it is testing important support. The pound, however, performed well and gained against the US dollar. Important data will come from Germany on Tuesday via the gross domestic product and an economic sentiment reading. European equities began last week with fragile sentiment, but did manage to become positive as the week progressed. Gold saw a steep decline on Friday and will begin this week on very soft footing. The precious metal was beaten down steadily after the US election and accumulated with a large fall in value. Crude oil remains mired with worries about oversupply. The price of the commodity has not been able to break free of headwinds. European Central Bank President Mario Draghi will be speaking at 3 p.m. GMT on Monday in Italy. Core retail sales data will be released on Tuesday at 1:30 p.m. from the States. The UK will publish its climate count change numbers on Wednesday at 9:30 a.m. Fed Chairwoman Janet Yellen will speak about economic conditions in Washington, D.C. at 3 p.m. on Thursday. On Friday, Mario Draghi will be speaking in Germany starting at 8 a.m. GMT. Thank you all for watching. Visit us every day for our daily reviews, trading tips, and tactics and analysis reports. And we wish you all a great trading week.